Namaste, doctor.
Namaste.
Doctor, in our last video, you taught us about repeated core numbers.
Yes.
Today, we'll talk about repeated debt numbers.
Yes. So debt numbers are also called karmic numbers or testing numbers.
Okay.
Okay. See why I am telling you this, because there could be a confusion between karmic lessons and karmic debt numbers. What are karmic lessons? Karmic lessons are the missing letters from your name. Whereas these karmic debt numbers are the 4 numbers, remember?
Yes.
13.
13, 4, 14, 5, 19, 1 and 16, 7.
Right. Okay. So these are the 4 debt numbers. Now some people are confused how to calculate these numbers.
Okay.
So see, when we see if somebody is born with a birthday number of say 13, 14, 16 or 19, these are 4 karmic numbers. Though the reduced numbers are 4, 5, 7 and 1. Though the reduced numbers are the essence is the single digit number. Because we reduce all double digit numbers for all calculations. We are reducing all the double digit numbers except master numbers.
Yes.
Okay. So if it comes as your birthday number, then it's very clear that your birthday number is 13 or 14 or 16 or 19.
Yes.
Now, if it comes as a life path number, let's take an example. Say example is if you are born on the 5th of March 1995. So 5 plus 3 and 1995 adds to 6. Now this is 5 plus 3 plus 6, 14, 5. Right?
Yes.
Now here, though life path is a 5 of this person, but it is 14, 5.
Correct. Yes.
Now it may happen that your birthday number plus month number plus year number adds to 23, 5. The double digit behind is 23. Then it is not a karmic number. Though the essence is 5. Or it may happen that you are born on the 1st of February.
Okay.
And your year number adds to 2. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5. So this is a simple plain 5. This is not a karmic debt number.
Okay.
Only when the addition comes to 14. So we are looking at the double digit number behind the final number, the root number. So here it becomes a
Karmic number.
karmic number. Karmic debt number. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Similarly, this number also could come as an expression number.
Yes.
If your name, if we calculate the expression number, full expression number, that means first name, middle name and the last name or the surname. If you add these 3 and you get a karmic number. Then it's either 13, 14, 16 or 19. Then it's a karmic number.
Okay.
It may happen that only your first name is a karmic number. But the total of that is not a karmic number. That also may happen. Maybe we can take an example. Say for example, if somebody's name is Sona, S-O-N-A.
Yes.
S is 1, O is 6, N is 5, A is 1. Add them.
12, 13.
13, 4. Now this Sona is, we are just taking the first name here. We don't know the full name. Full name could be something else. So here the first name is a karmic number. Now if you take a name Monali, M-O-N-A-L-I. Here the expression number is 28, 1, 28, 10, 1. Expression number is, now this is not a karmic number. It's a 28, 1. But in this case, the solar number is 6 plus 1 plus 9.
9.
O, A and I.
Yes, it's 16, 7.
Yeah. Now here the solar number is the 16, 7.
Right.
This is how you arrive at the karmic debt number.
Okay.
So is there any confusion now? How to calculate the karmic debt number? Now you understood.
Yes.
Now this number can come anywhere. It can come as your attitude number. It can come as your personality number. And there's so many numbers which we have already studied. So this number could come, these karmic debt numbers could come as any number. Right. But the effects of that number will be very different when it comes in the major core numbers.
Right.
And when it comes as a minor numbers, the effect is definitely very different.
Okay.
Now, if someone has in the core number, you might have 2 or 3 testing
Debt
numbers,
numbers.
debt numbers, karmic numbers. Now here it's a serious problem. If many numbers are repeating in your core numbers,
May not be the same karmic number,
A
but
different-
the karmic numbers.
yeah,
Getting the
same number may
karmic-
not be repeating. It may happen that your life path is a 13-4, your birthday is a 16-7, or your expression is a 19-1, or your solar number is a 16-7. I'm saying a repetition of karmic debt numbers. It is not the same number. Here we are not talking of the same number. Repetition of karmic debt numbers. So, but when that happens, see, if it comes as your life path number and birthday number, we can't do anything about it. The person has to go through that karma.
Yes.
Okay. But if it comes as a name number or a soul urge number, when it comes as a name number, expression number, we can tell the person to write the name in a certain way.
Right.
I'm not saying changing the name. I don't recommend changing the name, but we can tell the person to write the name in a certain way
Yes.
so that we take care of that
Karmic.
karmic number. But if it comes as a life path and birthday number, we can't do anything about it. Everybody has to understand that. Even sometimes just your year number is a card. They say, for example,
Yes.
somebody is asked 1990. 1 plus 9 plus 9 is 19.
19-1.
Or 1960. 1 plus 9 plus 6 is 16-7.
Right.
So this could come as a karmic debt number. It's only that year. So it may happen that a certain phase of your life, you go through that
Testing time.
testing time.
Right.
So we know that these numbers, they really give us difficult lessons in life. All these testing numbers, no, they give us difficult lessons in life. But see, that doesn't mean you should be scared of them. Nothing is insurmountable. You know, God doesn't give us anything which we cannot overcome.
Handle. Yes.
Yeah, which we cannot handle. So, but as I told you, if there are many karmic numbers in the chart, the lessons are really tough for that person.
Right.
It is not to scare people with karmic numbers, but this is what, because if they look at their own life, they'll understand it. See, Pragati, we have already talked in detail about the karmic numbers.
Yes.
We have made 2 videos on these karmic numbers where we have talked in detail about the lessons that they go through.
Yes.
Because see, their final, though the root number is 4 or 5 or a 7 or a 1, of all these, the lessons are going to be of that number. But because 13, 14, 16, 19 are that numbers, if the person feels them more, though the lessons are 4, 5, 7 and 1. So we have talked in detail in the previous videos. I think all of you should go back to those
Yes.
videos so that you really understand the meaning of the karmic debt numbers.
Actually.
And also the lessons, the remedies.
Yeah, we have discussed remedies also. Please watch the videos carefully. Namaste.
Namaste.